Good morning everyone and welcome to MERI Daily Space Bulletin, your gateway to the wonders of the universe. Exoplanet star share element rate with its hot Jupiter. NASA's Artemis II crew eclipses record for farthest human spaceflight. NASA strengthen Artemis. Expedition 74 opens Cygnus XL and unpacks advanced science gear. Today is Thursday, a day named after Thor, the powerful Norse god of thunder. In ancient mythology, Thor was known as the protector of both gods and humans, wielding his mighty hammer to control thunder and lightning. He symbolized strength, courage, and the raw power of nature. Interestingly, this idea of immense power connects beautifully with space. Just like Thor's thunder shook the skies, the universe is filled with powerful cosmic events. Before we move ahead, here's space thought equipped with his 5 senses. Man explores the universe around him. Let's start with the space news. Exoplanet star share element rate with its hot Jupiter. An ultra-hot Jupiter exoplanet orbiting a nearby star gave scientists using the Gemini South telescope a look at how both a star and its hot planet can have similar chemical compositions. The team, led by Arizona State University graduate student George Antonio Sanche, took spectra of the planet called WASP-189b using the immersion grating infrared spectrograph instrument. The observation measured the abundance of magnesium compared to silicon in the hot planet's atmosphere and allowed the team to compare it to the makeup of its parent star. NASA's Artemis II crew eclipses record for farthest human spaceflight. 4 astronauts aboard NASA's Artemis II test flight around the moon made history at 12:56 p.m. on Monday, traveling 248,655 miles from Earth, surpassing the record for human spaceflight, farthest distance previously set by the Apollo 13 mission in 1970. Farthest point crew inside the Orion spacecraft will have traveled about 252,756 miles before looping back toward our home planet, setting the new record for human spaceflight. NASA strengthened Artemis. To achieve the national goal of landing American astronauts on the surface of the moon and maintaining U.S. superiority in exploration and discovery. NASA announced Feb 27 it is increasing its cadence of mission under the Artemis program, standardizing the SLS space launch system, a rocket configuration, and adding a new mission. The plans were shared during a news conference at NASA's Kennedy Space Center in Florida and included an update on the near-term mission Artemis II. Expedition 74 opens Cygnus XL and unpacks advanced science gear. The hatches are open between Northrop Grumman's second Cygnus XL cargo spacecraft and the International Space Station following its robotic capture and installation on Monday. The Expedition 74 crew is now beginning to unload some of the new science and crew supplies delivered on Monday. NASA flight engineers Chris Williams and Jack Hathaway were the first crew members to enter Cygnus XL on Tuesday after a series of pressure and leak checks inside the spacecraft. They were joined soon after the flight engineers Jessica Meir of NASA and Sophia Ednott of ESA, European Space Agency, transferring time-critical research samples stored in Cygnus portable science freezer for preservation in the station's MELFI science freezers and the Merlin incubators. With this, I conclude today's space news. I, Yana Tak, signing off for the day. Stay updated for the latest updates.